Hi, Matt here, co-founder and CEO of Shadow Breeze. How much should you spend on corporate gifts? This is one of the most common questions we hear, and the honest answer is that there isn't one single right number. The right budget depends on the relationship, the moment, and the outcome you're trying to achieve. The most important thing to remember is this: your gifting budget should reflect the value of the relationship, not just the cost of the item. If a gift helps strengthen a relationship that's worth thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to your business, then that gift isn't an expense, it's an investment. That said, it's still helpful to have some realistic ranges as a starting point. For most standard client gifts, budgets typically fall between $50 and $150. This works well for holiday gifting, onboarding gifts, and general client appreciation. For VIP or high-value clients, especially executive-level relationships or key renewals, budgets often range from $150 to $500 or even more. Employee gifts usually land between $25 and $150, depending on the occasion, your company culture, and whether the gift is for a milestone, a holiday, or ongoing appreciation. For events, conferences, or large-scale gifting, budgets are commonly in the $20 to $75 range. These gifts are designed to be scalable, portable, and easy to distribute. And for prospects or lead nurturing efforts, you can still make an impact in the $20 to $50 range if the gift is thoughtful and well presented. These ranges aren't rules. They're simply guidelines to help you start thinking strategically. If you want a simple way to set a budget that scales with your business, here's a framework that we recommend. A good corporate gift typically costs about 0.5% to 2% of the annual value of that relationship. For example, if a client relationship is worth $25,000 a year, a gift in the $125 to $500 range is very reasonable. If a partnership is worth $200,000 annually, you might invest $1,000 to $4,000 over the course of the year, often spread across multiple touch points rather than a single large gift. And if a project is worth around $2,000, a thoughtful gift in the $35 to $80 range can still feel meaningful and appropriate. This approach keeps gifting proportional and makes your budget easy to justify internally. Now let's talk briefly about bulk or sending multiple gifts at a time. When you're sending gifts to dozens or hundreds of people, the goal is consistency, scalability, and perceived value. Choosing a clear price tier such as $35, $50, $75, or $100, and then focusing on presentation and personalization can make a huge difference. A well-packaged gift with a personal note often feels more premium than a higher-priced item that shows up without context. That brings us to one final point. Perceived value matters more than the price. We say that all the time. How a gift is packaged, how it's presented, and how well it fits the recipient and the moment will have more impact than the dollar amount alone. You can spend $30 and create a wow moment, or you can spend $130 and create something forgettable. The difference is intention. When setting your corporate gifting budget, start with the relationship value, use budget ranges as a guide, and then focus on creating a gift that feels thoughtful, not promotional. If you'd like help choosing the right tier or designing a gift that fits your recipients and your goals, you can explore the rest of our corporate gifting guide here in this blog, or reach out to us to start the conversation. We'd be happy to help.